Hello everyone! In this video, we'll draw a mandarin in a realistic style. Let's get started. I already have a palette of main colors prepared for this video. We'll start with a light sketch outlining the main elements. Use blue and a pencil-textured brush. Draw a circle that will be the base of the mandarin. Then, mark the center, where the slices will converge. Add a line at the top to indicate a piece of peel still on the mandarin. For now, just sketch the main directions. Draw one slice, leaving small gaps between slices in some areas. On the right side, sketch a piece of peel extending beyond the mandarin's main circle to show its thickness. Refine the slices, drawing lines to outline the sphere. Remember, each slice has a convex outer side. Divide the entire sphere into slices of varying thickness. Leave a small space in the center. Refine the main lines and adjust the sketch. Use the eraser tool to clean up unnecessary sketch lines. Outline the peel's edges with a more jagged line. Transform your Procreate projects with more than 4,000 brushes, fonts, textures, and 3D models available in the Brush app. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to access them now. The sketch is ready. Add a new layer beneath the sketch. Select the main orange color and use the untitled brush to fill the overall shape. Outline the sketch and fill it with color. Create another layer for the mandarin peel. Use Selection, Freehand, to outline the peel areas and fill them with a brighter orange color. On the layer with the mandarin's base, activate Alpha Lock, select the soft airbrush, and use the second color from the palette, a dark orange. Add volume under the peel. In the center, along the slice edges, and on the outer shape, imagining the mandarin as a simplified sphere. Switch to the peel layer, activate Alpha Lock, and select the bright orange color from the canvas. Adjust it to a cooler, darker shade, and apply it to the outer edge of the peel. Return to the mandarin layer. Lighten the top areas of the slices using the base color. Use the smudge tool with the soft airbrush to smooth color transitions. With a smaller brush, select the third palette color, a rich orange-brown. Shade the areas between slices, in the center, under the peel, and along the lower contour, where the shadows are most vital. For the deepest shadows along the slice seams and under the peel, use a darker, cooler, reddish shade. Reduce the sketch's opacity and continue refining the slice connections. Use the smudge tool to soften sharp transitions. Create a new layer and select a dark beige color. Using the textured sheep brush from the Soft and Cozy set, mark the fibers of the mandarin starting from the slice edges. Round off corners and add fibers extending beyond the contour. Draw membranes along the slice shapes, focusing on the main fibers in the center of each slice. Round off intersecting lines and outline each slice. Extend some fibers beyond the mandarin's contour. Add thin, intermediate fibers. Create a new layer under the fiber layer. Use a darker beige shade and the sandy brush from the same set to add texture. Using the sheep brush and light beige color, highlight fibers most exposed to light. Add sharper details, focusing on the top parts of the slices with a thinner brush size. Select white and add highlights to a few specific areas on top of the slices. Return to the slice layer and use a dark brown shade, slightly cooler. With the sandy brush, add dark texture to shadowed areas and fibers under the peel and along the outer contour. Use the eraser tool to adjust the mandarin's center area, removing excess fibers along the contour. On the peel layer, use the soft airbrush with a more yellow-orange shade to add soft highlights to the top areas of the peel. Use a lighter yellow for the brightest spots and the edges to create reflections. Select the spray brush in a brown color, create a new layer, apply a clipping mask, and add texture to the peel. Repeat with a lighter color. Use a brown shade and the sheep brush to add shadow along the peel edges. Use the pores brush with a brown shade to add a dotted pattern. Repeat with a light orange shade, adding a textured area in orange. Apply darker tones to the outer contour. On a new layer, use the soft airbrush with a light yellow shade to enhance the contour reflections and highlights in the top areas. Create a new layer. Using the same brush, add small reflective areas to the central and contour regions. Use a lighter shade and a smaller brush size to add highlights. Use the smudge tool to soften highlighted edges. Apply white to a few specific highlights and smooth some areas with the smudge tool. On the highlight layer, use the soft airbrush eraser to erase parts of the highlights for a more uneven peel texture. Add brown to shadowed peel areas and along the contour. Duplicate the mandarin's base layer and move to the lower layer. Use Select, choose a dark brown shade, and paint the duplicate layer completely. Turn off all upper layers except the shadow layer. Paint the entire mandarin dark brown. Turn off selection and restore all layers. On the shadow layer, use Transform greater than Freeform to compress and shift the shape slightly to the right. Go to Adjustments greater than Gaussian Blur and set it to 11%. In the Layers panel, set the blending mode to Multiply and reduce opacity to 30 to 35%. The mandarin is complete. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, comment on your impressions, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell to stay updated on future tutorials. See you next time.